Hi friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Venustas Heated vest. This is a leading apparel brand with more than 2 million customers worldwide. These vests are 100% polyester. They come in a multitude of colors here. This is the gray one. Very nice. You got YKK zippers. Little heated button there. There's the logo. All right, also we have the battery pack and charger. Okay, it has a little indicator of the power. We got the input, USB-C, output USB-A, and also a plug in there. Nice little bag this came in with some different instructions and whatnot. These come with a 2-year warranty. Put the battery in here. So right inside we have this little pocket. Open that up. What's nice about these clothes, you can just keep this little battery pack in there. It's going to keep you nice and toasty warm. That's going to come on right when we plug it in. Our little light should come on here. Just hold down the power button. There we go. That comes in as red. I actually brought my little heat gun here. These have 6 heating areas. We got one here, one here, one here. One over the hands, and then on the neck. These are heating up. So right now we're sitting at 79 degrees, and right now 84. Heats up rather quickly. So already feeling warm on my hand. These batteries will last from like 6 to like 24 hours depending on the heating setting. On the lowest we have this one here, and then the blue is the second stage, and then red is going to be the hottest. Very nice here. These are, like I said, waterproof. Let's try this on. It's rather cozy. So these elements in here are super thin too, so you don't really have to worry about like flexing. They're going to get damaged or anything like that. Everything about this looks like really good quality. Let's try it on here. Okay, well, that's nice and toasty warm. It's actually pretty chilly outside right now. So the pockets, they're nice and deep. And I like how the heated pads are right over, the two of them are right over your hand. Put them in your pockets and your hands are nice and warm in there. That's important because usually most of my body, I don't really get that cold, but my hands get a little chilly. So the ability to just put them in your pockets and just warm them up is very nice. So these are silver mylar thermal fabrics in these, so they're super thin and pliable. This is hand washable or machine washable, so very durable, waterproof, and yeah, just goes, a little vest pretty much goes good with anything. So I like the fact that you could wear like a hoodie under here. You could wear just a t-shirt if you want. A lot of times my arms don't really get cold, so yeah, it's just a comfortable thing that goes with pretty much any type of clothing that you're wearing. It's actually feeling quite toasty right now. Might have to turn it down a little bit because I'm feeling a little warm. So just a push of the button, that turns it down a little bit. Very easy to work with those 3 different stages of heat or whatever. So on this lowest setting, it's going to last for like 25 hours on the battery. And you can also charge up your phone in a pinch. Say you're out in the snow or whatever and your phone's running out of battery. You can charge up your phone with this with the battery pack. I like that the battery pack's not like super bulky either. So it's in the pocket there, but you don't really notice it too much. All the zippers work really nice as well. Not getting bound up or anything. Zipper is very smooth. Yeah, my friends, this all in all a really comfortable little vest here. If you are looking for a stylish way to keep nice and toasty warm this winter, check out the Venustas clothing line, the heated clothing, very nice. If you guys use code ETPC at checkout, you'll save an additional 20% off. Go ahead and click the link in the description below to go to the store and check this out. I think you won't be disappointed. These also come with a 2-year warranty on the clothing and a 1-year warranty on the battery packs. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.